What's up mga Ketchup? Today I'm gonna tour you around our new apartment here in Sydney. Let's go! Ito yung hallway when you get inside. This is the... I'm not sure what this is. Server room? Basta dyan yung internet and yung vacuum. And yeah. So, it's just a small apartment. Tapos, ang galing na to look, guys. Nandito na rin yung washer and dryer. Nakatago na siya sa cabinet. Amazing. Amazing. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. Diba? Ang galing. So, and this is the bathroom. Okay, the bathroom. Nice toilet. Sink. Me. Chaka. Oh my god. Bakit itsura mo guys? Shower. Yeah. Shower. Lahat din ng aircon ay centralized dito. So, mayroon silang control panel dito. Tapos dito nyo na lang isa-set kung anong temperature gusto nyo. Kung gusto nyo heater or naka-fan or dry. Yeah, so amazing. Dito makikita nyo yung intercom from the camera at the lobby entrance. So, makikita nyo sa inyo mga bumibisita sa inyo. And this is the living area, the living room, dining, kitchen. This is our kitchen. Ayan, so gas range. Tapos may oven din. Yes, for our baking needs. Tapos ito yung dishwasher. So, first time ko makagamit ng dishwasher. Tapos, ayan, we have microwave, toaster, water heater. And ito guys, look. Ang bongga na ito. Kita niyo yan? Ito. It's the fridge. It's the fridge. Okay. Wala pang laman kasi bago. Ito din amazing yung exhaust niya. Pag inopen mo to, it's automatically gonna turn on. Amaze. Yun. This is the living area. See, ang ganda na view outside. Look at that view. Ang ganda na ito pag gabi mga bitchilan. We even have a balcony. So may balcony po tayo. Oh yeah. This is our room. Ganda. Mga hotel. This is the view from our room. Yeah. And our cabinet with a big, large mirror. Yeah. Ang bongga. So yun, that's our house. This is our new apartment. Yeah. Charot lang guys. Kung hindi pa obvious, nag-Airbnb lang kami. Pero ang ganda, diba? You have to admit. So this place is just, I think, 120 AUD per night. Not bad. It's actually really nice. So yun lang. That's the tour for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.